Use camera control button on your iPhone 17 Air. If you tap, and your camera control will be enabled, and if you want to soft touch on, then you can see my zoom is enabled. You can see my zoom is enabled, and if you soft touch 2 times, then you can see my other zoom feature or camera feature or other setting is enabled. So this is how you can easily control your button. And if you customize your setting camera control button, then go to setting, go to accessibility, and here you can see the camera control. Then you can see some feature: double light press speed, slow or slower. I am selecting the default, and double click speed default. If you want to customize this option, you can also customize it. And if you disable your camera control button, then you can disable your camera control button as well. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.